Namaskar friends, this is Acharya Raman here. I am going to talk about how 2021 is going to be for all the ascendants from Aries to Pisces. Saturn is transiting in the star of Sun, Jupiter is in the star of Sun, Rahu will be in Mars star and Ketu will be in Mercury star. These are the four main planets which basically decide how the world is going to be for the coming 1 year to 2.5 years depending upon the transits of the planets. And if you are running the period of these planets, then the effect are going to be maximum, otherwise the effect are not going to be so direct. We are passing through the age of Corona, so Corona is not going to go in 2021 also, and after studying the horoscopes of over 100 people, I personally came to the conclusion that Rahu is the main factor or Ketu is the main factor, because Rahu was the only thing common in those 100 horoscopes. All the people who had acquired Corona globally had Rahu running in their Dasha Bhukti Yantra, or their Dasha Lord was in Rahu star, or the Dasha Lord was conjoined with Rahu, or Rahu was sitting in the sign of that Dasha Lord. So these are the points after studying which I came to the conclusion that if you are running the period of any planet which is in the star of Rahu or sub of Rahu, or you are running or if you are running the dasha of Rahu or Ketu, then be very careful. Do not go out without mask. Keep your hands sanitized. Keep washing your hands. Keep away from strangers. Do not travel until unless it is very necessary. And also at that time be very careful, very strict. Otherwise there is no way you can stop yourself from having Corona. Said this, you may be wanting to talk to me again and again, so all you have to do is one simple thing. Just go to the Play Store and download our app, Varta app, Astro Sage Varta app. So you can download it and you can call me directly after refilling. So why are you waiting? Just download the app and call me. And suppose if you don't find me on the app, or maybe I am offline, so you can call our customer care. They will arrange a call within very few minutes. So now let me start the horoscope of all the 12 ascendants. Talking about Capricorn people, coming to your family life is going to be good. Mostly you will be having a lot of work to do, which you will do diligently and will try to appease everyone in the family. You will be planning for long term goals this year and will be having thoughts of the past many times this year. There will be some discord at times, but you will be able to manage things in a peaceful way. Coming to your love life is going to be worst affected this year. You may not be able to continue your love relationship and may decide to leave it there itself. Many of you will try to be patient and let the time pass and wait for the right time. Those who are looking for love will only get false relations and treachery this year. So it is better to avoid love matters this year. You should focus more on work and let the time pass. You have to keep in mind that patience is the only thing which is going to work, nothing else. Coming to your married life, there will be ample happiness in married life for the people of this Lagna. There will be good understanding and relation between the couple. You can expect a new member in the family in terms of childbirth. Money will be spent, spouse will be helpful and cooperating. There will be a feel of happiness even if there are quarrels or disputes. They will be sorted out by talking amicably. As far as your health is concerned, health is looking good. The only thing is to keep away from butter and ghee things. Sweets in abundance will make your sugar levels haywire, which is not good. You should try to exercise as much as you can and maintain a decent food habit. Coming to your job, people running the Dasha of Ketu, Venus, Saturn, Jupiter will be having very good growth in their careers. There will be surely salary hikes, promotions, new responsibilities, offshore visits and much more this year. Seniors will be helpful and understanding. The natives with Rahu Dasha will lose in every end and they may become jobless for a long time. There will be pressure in the job and you will not like to continue and may leave yourself. It is advised that do not quit the job and continue, otherwise you will not be able to find a good job for a very long time. Coming to your business, there will be exponential growth for people with Ketu Dasha. People with Rahu Dasha will not be able to manage their things. Partnerships will break and there will be chances of deceit from the partner. Others will be having good going in their respective businesses and will see profits coming to them. This is a good year for expansion of business for natives having Jupiter or Saturn periods. Coming to finances, money will be coming definitely this year and you will make lot of savings, etc. But on the other hand, there will be some expenses popping up here and there, and then it will depend upon your individual skills how you are going to manage the expenses. Good money inflow is sure to come. Those with Rahu Dasha should remain careful and cautious as they may have sudden losses, property and vehicles. A good year to buy vehicle, home asset, etc. If you are having Rahu Dasha, do not go for home this year. You may end up buying a disputed property. Coming to accidents, February, June, August, December are the months when you should be very careful. So friends, this was all for horoscope 2021. Some may find it good, some may not find it very good. This is what I can come up with, seeing the rotation of the planets. If you want to talk to me, you just download the Varta app and give me a call. But first of all, do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so that you can get all the videos from our side. As for now, Namaskar.
एस्ट्रोसेज वार्ता astrosage.com के प्रमाणित और प्रीमियम एस्ट्रोलॉजर से करें कभी भी सीधे फोन पर बात। प्यार, पैसा, परिवार या कुछ और, हर सवाल का सीधा और सटीक जवाब। एस्ट्रोसेज वार्ता के जरिए ज्योतिषियों को फोन लगाएं और किस्मत का साथ पाएं।